Welcome to part 6 of our series on trading strategies. In our last video, we discussed momentum trading and reverse trading. Today, we're diving into position trading and the use of moving averages. Hey there, I'm Eva, and let's start with position trading. Position trading is a strategy where traders keep their positions open for a long time, sometimes even several months or years. The goal is to benefit from long-term market trends, ignoring short-term fluctuations. Pros of position trading: less stress. You don't need to constantly monitor the market and make trades daily. Profit maximization. Long-term trends usually bring more profit than short-term fluctuations. Suitable for beginners. Since constant attention to the market is not required, this strategy can be good for those who are just starting to trade. Cons: patience required. Sometimes you'll have to wait several months or even years before the market goes in the right direction. Risks of external factors. In the long term, the market can change under the influence of political or economic events. Now let's talk about using moving averages. Moving averages are a popular technical analysis tool that helps traders identify trends in the market. The essence of using moving averages is to smooth out price fluctuations and highlight the general direction of market movement. Pros of using moving averages: ease of use. Moving averages are one of the easiest to use tools for determining a trend, smoothing market noise. They help ignore small fluctuations that can confuse a trader and focus on the general market direction. Cons: delayed signals. Moving averages often give signals with a delay since they are based on past data. Inefficiency in a sideways trend. In a market where there is no clear trend, moving averages can give false signals. Have you ever used position trading or moving averages in your trading? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned for our final video where we'll wrap up our series and discuss how to choose the right strategy for you. Don't miss it.